morning everyone. My name is Yashwant Kumar. I am studying in BA first year. My college name is Sri Gavi Siddheswara Arts, Science, Commerce College in Koppal. My subject is optional English. I am presenting my seminar topic is historical novel. Historical novel. Etymology. Historical novel. Etymology. Etymology is from Greek word. Greek word in historia. Historia meaning is a inquiry and knowledge. Next one is a definition. What is the historical novel? Historical novel is a type of a novel in historical specific time and period, often featuring historical events or figures or historical settings. Next one is a historical novels characteristics more than characteristics, but this novel is a main characteristic. First one is a focus on historical figure accuracy. Next one is a blend fictional characters with real historical figures. Third one is a provides insight into the cultural and social context in the after time. One is a historical novel examples. More than examples of historical novels, but main examples of Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy is one of the most greatest philosopher in Russia and novelist. Leo Tolstoy is more than written in historical novels, but famous historical novel is a War and Peace. War and Peace historical novel is published in 1865. This novel is set in Napoleon Wars. Sir, next one is Sir Walter Scott. Sir Walter Scott is one of the most greatest novelist and philosopher in writer in England. Sir Walter Scott is a more famous historical novels in written, but most famous in Rob Roy. In Rob Roy novel is published in 1817. This novel is set in Scotland during the early 18th century. Type of the historical novel. First one is a historical fictions. Second one is a historical romance. Third one is a historical epic. Next, another is a alternate history. Next one is a pictures of historical novel. Pictures of historical novels. First one is a historical settings and historical events and education values. Next one is a most importance of historical novels. Most importance of historical novel. This is a first one is a education and awareness. Second one is a cultural and signification. Third one is a empathy and understanding. Last one is a timeless themes and messages. Thank you all.